show was just spectacular. That's why in all these ways in Singapore was an amazing American Broadway show.
Exactly. The lighting, effects, live music, costumes, everything was just breathtaking.
I don't even think Singapore is a musical. The only exclusive musicals were so low cost and boring. Maybe that's why Singapore musicals are so unpopular, even within Singaporeans. I still remember my first and last visit to Singaporean theatre. Besides, Singapore doesn't really have the culture of the arts that you can appreciate art events and performances on a regular basis. It's just not Singapore.
Yeah, I wish that Singapore would have a stronger arts culture where people will appreciate and support the arts.